Okay, I walked out of this store with 7 items, but I need you guys' help.
Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, what on earth does she need our help with? Well, first off, I'm going to take you to the bra section. And I actually found these right before I was leaving. It's the last section I checked. I don't always look at this section, but for some reason I did today, and I sure am glad that I did. So, if you guys know anything about me or watch my videos, you know that I used to sell clothing that I retail arbitraged. One of the brands that I sold is this brand right here. It is called Cacique, Cacique. It is a plus size brand. If you go to the Lane Bryant website, you will find it there. These bras are not cheap and they sell very, very well. And I'm looking at two right here, and they were $1.99 each. And I can tell by the tags that they have not been washed. I mean, I'm like 97% sure that they've never been washed. Now, if I picked these up at a discount store a like a TJ Maxx or something like that, and they didn't have the tags, but the original tags, I would probably sell them new without tags. But again, I showed the bras first. This is me walking in. I'm still in the same store. So how would you list the bras? Would you list them new without tags, or would you list them as pre-owned? So again, if I was at a discount store like Gabriel Brothers, TJ Maxx, someplace like that, and it was a new without tags item, which you find all the time at discount stores, I would list it new without tags. But I just feel a little funny about it, being that I picked it up at the Goodwill. So I'm kind of curious as to what you guys would do. So I have not listed them yet. I would like to hear what you would do. Would you list it new without tags, or would you list it as pre-owned? I already have in my mind what I'm thinking. And again, I'm 97% sure that they have never been washed. Now, maybe somebody tried them on. That could be. Anyway, let me know in the comments. Let's get some comments going. All right, so these sewing machines, I passed on them. I didn't even look them up. I probably should have, because I know that some sewing machines can go for a lot of money. That weight that I was looking at in the beginning, there for a while when people were quarantined, there were a lot of weights that were selling for big money. I'm not sure what the market's like right now, so definitely look things up before you just buy them. And then the cart that I was looking in, they usually have these at this Goodwill. It's the stuff that they've just brought out that has not been put on the shelves yet. So I always look in those carts first. So this is the plush that I was looking at probably about a week ago. You know, most of it's gone. I do see a few things that are the same, but it looks like people kind of really scooped up a lot of that plush. And I think plush is popular at this Goodwill because a lot of times this bin is empty. Now, maybe it's just because people aren't donating. I'm not really sure. But the last few times I've been here, it's been pretty full. I don't know what this guy is, but I don't know if it was like a backpack type thing. I don't know. It's got a weird hook on it. If you guys know what that was, let me know. Okay, so the brawl thing is my first question, and I do have another question for you guys to help me out with. But we're going to look through this plush for another minute or so and see if we can find anything. This horse here, could you imagine shipping that? Would you guys have picked up that horse? Let me know. It's got the big wood stick connected to it so like kids can ride it. This Curious George was cute, but he was in kind of rough condition, so I left him behind. But Curious George, he's a fun one to pick up. I think I've sold him before, or maybe I have him listed. I'm not sure. I think I've sold him. It might not have been that exact one. It definitely wasn't that exact one, but so let me know in the comments what is your favorite type of plush to sell, if you have a favorite. I'm going to grab my cart, and then we are going to go down along where they keep the glass and some of the breakables. Yeah, that's the section, the breakables. And, well, these aren't breakables. We'll get there. We're coming up on it. This little section is just kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. Nothing really, I never really find anything in this section, but I'm checking it out just in case. I don't even know what that was. All right. So give me just a second. I assure you the breakables are coming. Again, these are just items that are kind of just thrown up on the shelves. And this Goodwill, I don't know if they're short-staffed or what's going on, but they haven't been stocked up, it doesn't seem. So this right here, I almost grabbed, but I looked up comps and they weren't great. It's like a kangaroo golf club cover. And I do check the plates from time to time. I did score a box of plates at this Goodwill once, and I parted it out. If you guys watch my videos, you guys saw that haul and how well I did parting it out. I sold them individually, and I sold them in small lots, and they did really, really well. This bowl was cute, but again, it's like, I don't think it was anything special. I think it was probably just something you could get like at Target or Walmart, but I don't know that for sure. I could be totally wrong. I do not do a lot of breakables. That is really not my thing. But I do need to branch out and I do need to learn. So if you guys see anything in this video that you would have picked up, please comment below. Let me know if I missed a Bolo or maybe a good bread and butter item that sells fast. Definitely put those in the comments. The comments do help YouTubers in the algorithm, so comment, like, share, that's all great for us. Now, these are Coca-Cola. They're kind of interesting. Could I have sold those? They probably would have been okay as bread and butter, but just, again, it's a breakable, so I went ahead and passed. I didn't even pick those plates up. I wonder what those were. Probably something good. Again, just kind of looking at the bottoms. Sorry, I thought that was in the frame, and it wasn't. So if you see something that I sat down that was $1 million, I don't know if I want you to tell me. You might not want to tell me that because that would make me really sad. No, actually tell me, and then I can go back and see if it's still there. Maybe somebody else missed it also. So we are going to keep heading down towards, we're going to hit the toys. And then there's another section. And in this other section of kind of miscellaneous items, home decor, I find some unique, different items. I believe them to be handmade. I bought 5 of them. So I don't know if it's going to be a bread and butter item. I don't know if I should list them high. I can't find any comps. Again, I think they're, I'm probably going to say this wrong, decoupage. Is that how you say it? I'm probably saying it totally wrong. But they are on slate, and I'm totally giving it away. But I don't know how much video I will have once I show it to you. So I want to talk about it now. They are slate, and they have hunting dogs, pictures of hunting dogs. And they are just really, really neat. I thought that they would appeal to the hunter. But I got them home and I showed my husband and I was like excited. And he's like, you know, slate breaks kind of easy. And I'm like, it's a rock. And he's like, yes, but you know, you're going to be shipping it. Are you shipping like all 5 of them together? Are you going to sell them separately? I'm like, I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. But he's like, if they get banged around in shipment, they might break. And I'm like, but look how thick it is. And he seems to think that maybe packaging is going to be an issue. So I'd love you guys' feedback on this. Let me know suggestions on how you think I should ship it. Number one, that's my number one question. How should I ship it? Number two is, should I sell it as a lot, like all 5 items together, or should I sell the items individually? And what do you think they are worth? And I know I'm asking you guys a lot of questions, but I assure you, I have done my homework and I can't find good comps on these. And I think that because they are hunting in nature, here they are. Because they have hunting dogs, I just think that they're going to appeal to the right person. It might be a good Etsy item. I paid $1.99 each. So I know I can make money. I just am not sure what to do. And you guys, I can usually make a decision on things. Like, I'm pretty good at that. But these are just throwing me for a loop. And I'm glad I have you guys to put your comments in the comment section and help me out. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of different comments. Like, I'm kind of leaning towards selling all of them together. And I'm definitely I think I'm going to maybe auction first. And then if they don't sell, put them on Etsy, because I feel like it could be a good Etsy item. So lots of questions for you guys to answer. The first one is about the bras. The second one is, how do I ship it? What would you price them at? Would you sell them together or separately? So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to keep going through the toys here. The items that I purchased, I have already showed you guys. I bought the 5 slate items and I bought the 2 bras. Each item was $1.99 each, so I've got less than $15 and everything. I think those bras were a size 46 double D, which is a great size, and they are the really pretty ones. So I'm thinking I might be able to get 30, maybe even $35 each on those bras. They are definitely a Bolo item that I look for, and I used to sell that brand like crazy. If you go to my store, you will still see a bunch of that brand in my store. So definitely let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you at the next thrift with me. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.